Hey, morning everybody, Andy Demi here. So, I've got a really good question. And the question was, is Forex trading predictable like having a job? So, in other words, can you make a regular salaried income like you would if you had a job? And the question came from somebody new to trading, and what it really relates to is, can you depend on it month on month? And the simple answer is yes and no. Okay, so when you become competent at trading, so you have a plan that you believe in, that you trust, that has an edge, and you are somebody who can follow that plan consistently, well, then you have a recipe for making money from trading. But the question was not really related to making money as such, but more related to, well, if my current salary is like £2,000 a month, well, can trading do the same thing for me? Can I predictably get my £2,000 a month? And so the simple answer is this: if you are a swing trader, in other words, you are doing this alongside your job and you're spending maybe an hour a day, and you're looking for slightly longer moves, okay, that take a few days to a few weeks, that style of trading cannot guarantee really with what you're going to make in the market in any given month. You can't guarantee it. In fact, there's no real type of self-employed business that can guarantee that you're going to make a certain amount. However, there is a type of trading that can get much closer to guaranteeing it, and I'll get to that in a second. So finishing off with swing trading, basically the way you want to look at swing trading is that, well, you're generally trying to catch bigger moves, and sometimes the market isn't moving. And so if the market's not moving, you can't really make any money with that type of trading. Now, it doesn't mean it's not profitable. It's a really important distinction here. It just means that on any given month, if the market's not going anywhere, then quite clearly you're not going to make any money, or you may get the trade wrong and you could also lose money in that month. Okay, so if it's kind of whippy and you're trying to catch the trade and you're getting stopped out, well, that's a kind of whole other conversation. But the point is this, is that you want to be looking at that as, let's say, a 3-month target, a 6-month target, a 12-month target. So on average, you are making that money. So you want to split your 12-month income over 12, and that's basically what you've made. Okay, so it's easier to do it over the longer term because it evens out. Okay, sometimes the markets are great, you can make way more than your target, and other times the market's not moving and you don't make as much, okay, or make a loss. Okay, now what type of trading is a bit more predictable? Well, if you're good and you're practiced and this is your profession and you have the right knowledge, then day trading is a lot more predictable. Okay, because day trading is really there for you to make a daily income, and that's what we're looking for as day traders. So we're literally looking for small moves in the market. You don't need the general market to be moving very, very far. You can make a really regular income even just off the small moves, okay, which you wouldn't catch if you were a swing trader. So if you want to kind of have a bit more predictability, then quite simply, you want to eventually move into day trading. But for most people, that's not a move that I'm going to recommend, especially at the beginning. You want to stick with a job that brings you regular income, build a nice steady kind of base, and from trading, start to earn some money from it. And then when you kind of are in a position where you're thinking about, maybe replacing trading with your job, the other way around, so replacing your job with trading, that's the point where you want to start looking at maybe also adding day trading to what you do. So hopefully that's answered your question. Okay, if you've got any other kind of questions related to this, just comment, okay, or just send me a private message and I'll be happy to help. Have a great day, guys. Good trading. See you soon. Bye bye.